Historically, the shorelines of South Dakota's water bodies were teeming with native grasses and wildflower plants, which provided stability to the shorelines and key habitat for terrestrial and aquatic wildlife, including pollinators such as bees and butterflies. With an increase in residential development along shorelines, many of our lakes have lost up to 90% of their functioning habitat. This habitat loss has led to increased nutrient runoff and shoreline erosion, resulting in increased sedimentation and water quality issues such as blue-green algae blooms. To address these issues, the Game Fish and Parks has implemented a native shoreline restoration program. This program involves Game Fish and Park staff visiting a proposed restoration location and defining a planting area. Once the planting area is determined, a Game Fish and Parks biologist will decide the best native plants for the area depending on soil type, sunlight duration, and availability of plants. A broad mix of native grass and wildflowers are selected to provide habitat diversity and blooms throughout the entire growing season. They will also decide what type of planting method to use, whether it's all seeds, live plant plugs, or a combination of both. Once a plan is created, the area will be prepared for planting by removing existing vegetation, mulching, and edging. This makes way for the planting process. The planted area will require some maintenance following planting, such as weeding and watering, but after the first year or two, these will generally maintain themselves. We commonly get asked how long it takes for these plantings to become established, and within a year, you'll have a vibrant shoreline that looks good and is beneficial to the environment. These benefits of native shoreline plantings result in improved habitat, healthier water bodies, and more color and diversity to the landscape. Aquatic habitat is unique in that what happens on our land often impacts our water bodies. So incorporating these shoreline plantings can restore and improve aquatic habitat by reducing many of the erosion and runoff issues we see in our lakes today. If you're interested in learning more about native shoreline plantings or would like to visit about doing a shoreline planting in your area, contact your local Game Fish and Parks office to learn more.